So you can see the sump pump is, the pit is full. You can see the water's coming up into the discharge tube from the foundation. Pump just came on. It's taking it down. See, I want to make a note of the water coming in from the foundation drain. The pump is now off. See the amount of water that's going in through there. And just watch as it's coming out. Yeah, as you can see, this is a pretty good, pretty wet area around this house. This would be the ideal location to have a battery backup, sump pump, an extra one just in case this first one fails. You can see the stains around here. You can see the stains on top of, on the pipe of the pump. It's running a little too high. It should be coming on down below the line, and I'll show you why in a second. See the water running in. It's got a good flow to it. It's something what we're going to see in a second could be fixed by just by taking that little tie strap and moving it down. It almost looks like it was there at one point, right down at the bottom. You see that little ridge right around there? It almost looks like that tie strap was there, but sometimes it's better to have a good secure strap than it is like a plastic tie strap, because I think it's actually moved up. So the original person who installed this installed it to come on before it got up above the inlet pipe coming in from the foundation drain. Because over the years it looks like it's worked its way up, or there's a piece down into the sump, so maybe the original one broke off. You see how fast that sump's filling up. Well, this is close to where you would want that pump to come on and start discharging that water. But as you can see, as it gets going higher, pump's still on yet, the float's level. And the float has to come up. It has to be above in order to turn the switch on inside of the float. You see how the water's coming up to the foundation drain. And that's the drainage that goes around the whole exterior of the foundation. The water comes in and then gets pumped away from the foundation, which in this case is going into the side. It's still got a good flow there. You see the float's moving up. You see the water's coming out to the bottom of the foundation drain. And that's right where that pump should be, at the most coming on there. The concern is you want the water to get away from the foundation drain. So if it starts coming up to the bottom of that pipe, and then as you can see, as it starts getting above that pipe, then it's stopping the flow of water from around the foundation, which is going to make it like a bathtub effect. It's going to start to get filled up around the foundation, and that's going to be more of a concern of water coming into the foundation through cracks or pore seals. You see how that's now up to the bottom of the pipe, and the flow's starting to back up a bit. And the float's not up, so the pump's not going to come on. And now we're up into the pipe with the flow of the foundation water coming in. And we're going higher. Watch the float. And now the flow is almost stopped coming out of the foundation drain, which is now when it's starting to back up into the pipe coming from around the foundation, which is when we're going to start getting the water build up around. So it's going to start looking for cracks and ways to get in. So if that pump was to fail right now, at this point, this would just overflow the sump. And there we go. It's going back down, back to the level and it'll be pumped away. So that's one of the good reasons why you want to make sure your pump's floats adjusted properly. And it's a good when you have this much water coming in, it's a good example as to why you need a battery backup and a second sump pump installed.